Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. This video we are going to discuss about what are the contents are to be in a SEI paper. So for a perfect research paper, what are the contents we need? So and also I am going to give it as a table of contents for your research paper writing. So that will be very helpful for you to make a checklist what you have completed and what not you have completed with research paper writing. So this will be helpful for researchers, especially those who are starting your research. So what are the important things must be present in your research paper? So let us go on to today's video and explore the contents in the research paper. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop, that is live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop we are going to combine PV and wind energy as an input source, that is renewable energy sources, and then we are going to incorporate maximum power point tracking techniques in both of them to grasp a maximum amount of energy from them, and then we are going to incorporate that renewable energy sources to EV charging station. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So this will be a live MATLAB workshop which make you to familiar about how to design a EV charging station in MATLAB. So using this renewable energy sources, so make use of this option. So if you are interested in electric vehicle charging station design, so you can make use of this option. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So this is a research paper must contains. So this is a basic detailed explanation of a paper. So here you can see. So first starting with the title. So and then you need is abstract. So and then you can get the keywords, that from the title and abstract you can get keywords related with your work. Next you can see the introduction. So next the general introduction of the particular work you are going to carry out. Next literature review with table. So this is very important. So in literature review, so don't give theory part alone. So if you give a table, so for example if you are taking 25 references, you are analyzing that 25 references means, so you can take any 7 to 10 references and you can highlight what are the important merits and demerits associated with that particular references, and also you can pinpoint what are the research gap that reference have, that limitations have. So that limitations can be sorted out in your work. So like that you can make a table. So by making a perfect table in your literature review helps you to make a better literature review analysis. So this will also give an impact that you have made a comprehensive review related with the work you are going to do. So next one is problem statement. So in this problem statement what you have to do is, so you have to give a problem statement. So from that literature review analysis, from the inference from the literature review, so you have to give a problem statement. So that problem statements must reflect what are the different works carried out in the recent years. So then how it can be sorted out, that is very important. So that what are the problem associated with all the literature works, so that is the problem statement you are going to give. So next is solution for the problem statement. So that we can say it as a contribution of your work. So what is the solution what you are going to give in your problem statement, that will be shown as a contribution of work or research objective in many of the research papers. So you can give the solution for problem statement. So you can give, so what are the methods you are proposing in your that is your proposed work. So what is the design you are going to carry out in your proposed work. So like that you can give solution for this problem statement. Next, organization of the paper. So what are the different section of the paper deals with, so that what are the sections, every section will tell, and what is the important things to be considered in this section. So like that it will give the organization of the paper, or you can give a section wise analysis of that particular paper. So next one is proposed method with block diagram, equation, etc. So this must be a body of your paper. So this must comprises of a system description. So you have to describe a system, that is you can give a overall block diagram of your system. So like that you can give, and then you can explain each component in your block diagram. So for example if you are having a block diagram in PV design or modeling, so you can give the modeling and equations of the PV design, or if you need you can draw any necessary equivalent circuit, or you can draw any that is graphs related, the characteristics related with that particular that is block. So like that you can explain each and every block diagrams, and then you can give a summary of that particular proposed work. So next one is simulation. So this simulation results, so you are going to carry out simulation in any of the software you have. So after simulating your results, so you can give table for specification. So the important thing while making a simulation, that for example as far as electrical engineering is concerned, we used to take waveforms, the different categories of waveforms. So in this waveforms we have to make a table. So just you cannot copy what is the simulation picture obtained, so you have to analyze that picture. That is very important while coming to result and discussions part of a research paper. So the only thing is that you have to analyze that picture. The analysis give a weightage for that particular paper only. So just you can copy and paste that that is the waveform or anything, any output you are getting from your simulation software, just copy and paste in your research paper. That won't work out. So just by citing that number, so this figure deals with, or this figure shows the output of, like that you can give, means it won't work out. So you have to analyze that picture. That analysis part is very important. So you can take data from that simulations and you can make a tabular column and you can explain that table. So that also can be done by using this AI tools also. So you can analyze that particular table. The formulation of table in results and discussion parts is very important. As I have said earlier, that literature review needs a table. So likewise the important thing is that, so you need tables for different cases. So each will have table with explanation. So every table must have explanation. So next to the specification is that what is the parameters you are choosing in your simulation work. For example, the power rating, when coming to electrical engineering, you can give power rating, what is the power you have taken. So in some of the different that is streams of area of interest you are choosing, so you can have different types of ideas. So you can for example, if you are taking a case study, means, so what is the type of case study. So like that you can mention, or you can give specification what you are going to do. So after that you can categorize into different cases, and then you can make a tabulation. So and then you can make a conclusion with numerical results. The important thing in while writing conclusion is that don't write generally, that is conclusion generally. So that is very important. So because while writing a conclusion generally, it leads to a bigger problem, because the conclusion must reflects the work you have done, and also you don't want to that is include new information in the conclusion. That is very important. So the conclusion must be reflects the results and analysis parts. So if it is need, so you can mention, so by using this method, so I have increased the efficiency of the particular proposed system, for or else you can give any important parameters related with that work, and then you can highlight that particular important parameters values in your conclusion also. So like that, if you give conclusion, means then it will reflects the purity of the work you have done. So that is very important. So next one is that references. So you can give references in any that is the format which the journal is needed. So you can give references. Next one, checking of references, figures, equations, tables and main text. So like that you can give, so you can check the that is reference, figures, equations, tables and main text. So next one, you can take a plagiarism report. So these are the important checklist you must take while writing a SE indexed paper. So this will give you a brief that is a summary of that particular work you want to do in while writing a research paper. So you can make use of this option. So make a note of it. So these are the important things the reviewers and the editor used to see in every research paper. So you can make use of this. So the next important thing is that, so many of the thing can be done by using LMS research support tool. So here you can see that, so in this picture we have discussed that there are different contents are available. So that many of the contents can be done by using this tool. So in this chatbot, so here you can have a chatbot here. So in this chatbot you can generate abstract, you can generate introduction. So next you can have literature review templates, different literature review templates, literature review, that also can be done by using this AI tool, that is LMS research support AI tool. So you can have 5 different templates for literature review, literature review, detailed literature review, chat with PDF text, chat with paper. So these are reference to content. So these are the 5 different types of literature review options available in LMS research support. So you can make use of this option. So it will automate your literature review writing. So next important thing is that if you want to explain the table in the simulation part, you can have a option called explain the table. If you want to generate a MATLAB code, so you can generate a MATLAB code. So if you want to proofread your paper, so we are having a template called a grammar corrector template. So you can make use of this template to correct to make your sentences grammatically right in your research paper. So like that you can make use of these templates to make your research paper writing simple. So other side that thereby AI will generate all the contents related with this checklist. So this is all about this video. So hope this video will be very helpful for you, especially those who are starting your research work. So this checklist will help you to make a better research paper for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.